academic staff and ranks. The Universities Act provides the legal framework for universities, the forms of and conditions for acquiring higher education, the basic rights and obligations of teaching staff and students, and state supervision over the activities of universities. A professor holds a doctoral degree, has at least 5 years of experience in research, has a leading role in his or her field of research, organises and conducts the teaching of his or her subjects. An associate professor holds a doctoral degree, has at least 5 years of experience in research, participates actively in research, instructs students and teaching staff. A lecturer holds at least a master's degree, carries out teaching tasks, may be involved in research. An assistant leads seminars and practice sessions, may be involved in research. A university teacher leads seminars and practice sessions, may instruct students, may be involved in research and development. The organisation of the Research and Development Act provides the grounds for the organisation of R&D, including requirements for research staff. An early stage researcher is a person who works in research under the supervision of a supervisor. A PhD student can also apply for and work in the position of an early stage researcher. A research fellow participates in the implementation of a research topic or research project and has a research degree. A senior research fellow holds a doctoral degree, is a recognised researcher in his or her field, is in charge of a research topic or research project. A research professor holds a doctoral degree, has worked for a university for at least 10 years, and has a leading role in his or her field of research, supervises doctoral candidates. The academy research professor holds a doctoral degree, has worked for a university for at least 10 years, has a leading role in his or her field of research, supervises doctoral candidates, and is elected for up to 5 years.